It is your girl. It's your girl. It's me, y'all. It's your girl. Back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, I just want to thank all my subscribers out there. I thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys are a blessing. You guys are a blessing to me. That you guys would even take time out to click on my channel. I just thank you guys, and you guys stick around and you will see more great creations from me. So let's jump into this video. So you guys, today I am going to be heading out to my helper's house. And if you guys watch my videos, you know definitely who my helper is. But for you guys who are new to my channel, my helper is my niece Amaya. You guys, I have been teaching her little by little how to food craft and how to paper craft and how to basically do it all, you guys. So I'm headed out to my helper's house, and today, you guys, we are going to be making some some DIY Easter treats, you guys. Easy to do Easter treats. If you're having an Easter gathering, something simple you can put together, and I'm going to show you how to make it look great. And your guests won't even know that, hey, it was that easy to do. So let's jump into this video. Hey, you guys, I have made it to my helper's house. This is my helper, Amaya. Tell our subscribers hi.
Hi.
Amaya's waving hi at you guys. So, you guys, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making Peep cookies.
Peep cookies.
So, you guys, to make these Peeps cookies, which is an easy DIY project. What am I talking about? Project. An easy DIY treat you can make to have at your Easter gathering, and people won't even know that you did it because it's gonna look so professional, you guys. You listening to me? So let's jump into this video. This is what you're gonna need to make these Peep cookies. So what I went and found me was some shortbread cookies. And I'll show you guys. See, you guys, some regular old, well, they're lemon shortbread cookies. And I got these from my local grocery store. And I bought some chocolate chip cookies. So you're going to need your cookies. We're going to put frosting
on the cookie.
On the What did you say, Maya? Where are we putting this frosting?
On the cookie.
On the cookies. She's right. So we got our frosting.
Hey,
we got some jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
We got some Easter grass that we're going to be using to decorate our tray.
Tray. Yeah.
We got some dye because we're going to be dyeing some of our frosting.
And we
what are these, Amaya?
Sprinkles.
Okay, we got our sprinkles we're going to be using. We got some Easter color ones.
Easter color ones.
And last thing, show them, Amaya.
Peeps.
Show them what kind of Peeps we got.
We got all of them.
Show them what colors. Pink.
Pink.
Okay, give me that one. What's the next one? What color?
Purple.
Purple Peeps. Let me see those. Cotton candy Peeps. And the last one, yellow Peeps. So you guys, let's set up for this. Oh, one more thing. And we got our little tray, you guys.
Tray.
So let's set up for this video. Okay, you guys. So me and Amaya have got our cookies on our wax paper. And we dyed our frosting, you guys. See, we got green, we got yellow, and we did blue. So now what we're going to do is we're going to frost our cookies. And Amaya, what color do you want to use?
That one.
Green? Okay, Amaya's going to use green. And I'm going to use blue, you guys. And like I was telling you guys, this is an easy DIY you can do. And you can make it look professional looking. And this is a great treat to have at your Easter gathering. You guys. And you guys see Amaya eating. Amaya, you're supposed to be decorating the cookie. And you're eating. You know your subscribers see you eating, not decorating. They're watching you, Amaya. Yeah, you guys. And see, I'm just frosting the cookie. And remember, this is a shortbread cookie that I'm using. But I'm just going to frost this cookie. And let's see here. Okay, I got one frosted right here, you guys. And I think I'm going to use yellow on my next cookie. So I'm going to do yellow. Amaya, are you getting your frosting on? Are you still eating it?
I'm still decorating.
You need to put some more on there. Put some more in your cookie. So I'm just frosting this one yellow, you guys. Why I say it's easy is because these are just store-bought cookies. You can just take and decorate them yourself instead of going to the bakery, buying the expensive cookies. Okay, let's see what you got going on, Amaya. Let me see yours. Okay, let me just grab you some out of there. Now, put it on your, spread it around on your cookie. See how my cookie is? Look it. Okay, do yours just like that. Okay, you guys, and I'm gonna do a blue chocolate chip cookie. Right here. You guys. Okay. But there are so many things you can do for Easter. For an Easter treat, you guys. There are tons of DIY ideas out here that you can do. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money on doing this stuff. Okay, so got this one almost frosted. Okay, so I got that one frosted. And I think I'm going to do a yellow one. Amaya, you're still working on your one cookie?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. Okay. That's fine. Now you want to do another color? Okay. You do a blue and you give me the green. Okay, so I'm going to do a yellow chocolate chip, you guys. And Amaya's doing what color are you doing, Amaya?
Blue.
Blue one? Okay. And we both like Peeps, don't we, Amaya?
Yeah.
We love marshmallows.
Yeah, I love marshmallows too.
I know. You eat marshmallows all the time.
Yeah.
You don't care if they're big marshmallows, little marshmallows, do you?
Yeah.
You guys, Amaya eats a lot of marshmallows. Okay. So I got my yellow chocolate chip, my blue chocolate chip. Oh, let me do this one green. You just eating every color. Huh? So how does it taste?
Good.
Okay. As long as you say it's good. You just like that frosting. Okay. So you think Cameron can get one of these cookies, Amaya?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I got my green one, you guys. Maya has the blue. How is your blue cookie going? You almost got your frosting on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, let me do another green chocolate chip cookie. Looks like you're getting tired. My helper can't be getting tired. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, you guys, this is something I thought of. Um, because I know at around Easter time we have a gathering and we're just looking for like little simple stuff to be made, especially when you have a lot of people coming. And with the store, like with the store-bought cookies, you get a lot more in the pack versus you going to the bakery and buying a dozen and spending a lot of money on just that dozen of cookies. Okay, so Maya, you're on your last cookie. Okay, you guys, like I said, we are going to take these Peeps and I think I'm going to open up the cotton candy ones. So what color? I think I'm going to put it on the blue one. You helping me? Oh, you know what, Amaya? I'm going to use some sprinkles.
Ooh, I love sprinkles.
I know. I think I'm just going to sprinkle. Oh my God, these are so... Okay. All right. And I'm going to take my Peep. Peep. Okay. He's on there. Okay. Okay, so I use a cotton candy Peep. Now, let me open purple. And I think I'm going to put the purple one on the yellow. Okay. Maya, you still eating that frosting? It must be very good. That is not fair. Okay, so you guys, so I got some rainbow sprinkles that I'm going to be using on this. And I'm just going to take them.
Whoa.
Let me use this side. There we go. And me and Maya are going to keep decorating these, and we will